Pro Demand versus Autozone Pro. Which auto repair platform is better for your shop? Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Pro Demand by Mitchell 1 and Autozone Pro, two resources used by mechanics and shop owners to access repair information, order parts, and keep vehicles moving. But here's the thing, while they both support repair shops, they serve very different rules. So if you're unsure which one to use or how they fit together, this tutorial will clear that up for you. We'll kick things off by looking at what is Pro Demand. Pro Demand is Mitchell's one flagship auto repair information platform. It gives you OEM repair procedures, real-world fixes with short track, and TSBs and recalls, interactive wiring diagrams, troubleshooting flowcharts, and maintenance schedules. Labor time guides also. Think of it as your go-to repair manual on steroids, designed for serious auto repair shops and techs. Now, what is Autozone Pro? Autozone Pro is a professional parts ordering and shop support portal from Autozone, designed for independent repair shops. With Autozone Pro, you can look up and order OEM and aftermarket parts, get basic repair guides and specs, and view vehicle history and recommendations, access limited repair info mostly from AllData or Clinton, track warranties and customer accounts. If we were to take a quick look at the features and the different aspects of both platforms, for instance, when it comes onto Pro Demand, you'll be getting OEM repair procedures, and with Autozone Pro, you won't be getting that feature. Another thing that you'll be getting with Pro Demand that you won't be getting with Autozone Pro is short track and also interactive wiring diagram. And when it comes onto parts ordering, you'll be able to order parts using Autozone Pro, but you can't do that using Pro Demand. And if we were to talk about, for instance, repair info depth, I would definitely have to give Pro Demand this, as Pro Demand is very highly rated, while Autozone Pro will give you entry level. So who is each one for? I would say that Pro Demand is built for technicians doing deep diagnostics and repair shops needing access to detailed OEM service data, teams that want built-in labor times and TSBs and fix history. While Autozone, on the other hand, I would say Autozone Pro is built for shop owners who need to quickly order parts, techs who want quick access to specs or torque info, and budget-conscious users who need light support and inventory lookup. And if we were to talk about ease of use, Autozone Pro is easy for parts lookup, but not a replacement for full diagnostic platform. While Pro Demand, on the other hand, is fast and user-friendly, especially when navigating from symptom, probable cause, confirm fix using short track. They actually complement each other well. For instance, use Pro Demand for diagnosing the issue, then use Autozone Pro to order the right parts quickly. And if we were to talk about pricing, with Pro Demand, based on research, the pricing typically starts off between $179 to $225, as the pricing depends on features and users, and add-ons include estimating, scheduling, and shop management. While Autozone Pro, on the other hand, is 100% free to use as long as you're a shop with an Autozone Pro account. No repair data subscription fees, just pay for parts you order. So Autozone Pro is great if you're looking to save, but you will still need a tool like Pro Demand for serious diagnostics. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.